Hi, after our lesson on graph yesterday, moving on to line graph as data survey. So do turn to page 93 and 108 and to complete the work. And before doing so, do log on to MyEd Online to complete two very interesting tasks that I've given you today. Okay, let's move on. Line graphs. Okay, we all know that line graphs actually to represent continuous data means results can go on and on and on. Okay, there isn't a stopping point. This means that the value can be worked out from any point along the line. So for this case, you're talking about, okay, an average Australian car uses 12 liters of petrol for every 100 kilometer. So so from here you will be able to churn out, okay, every 100 kilometers 12 liters, so six of them, 6 kilometers will be half of 100. So from here you'll be able to get the value. Okay, 24 will be 200, and then after that you add another 50, you get 250 here, you get 300, and then 350, isn't it? And then from here easily you can get the points. So we have the first dot, over here, second dot, third dot, dot, fourth dot, fifth dot, 42 is 350. So you have all the dots ready, and from there you extend the line from here all the way up to here. And then with that information, you will be able to solve the rest of the question. Okay? Oh, you have another situation here whereby you need to complete the graph. Again, you got to get the plots based on the results given to you. First, you got to answer, they say you got to find out the scale for the vertical axis. So I've decided for every 2 squares is 200. Okay, so that's how you get 1200. Again, you plot the points accordingly. Plot the points. After you plot the points, you'll be able to draw a line, a straight line. Okay, as you can see, it is not very straight. Reason is I think the scan was a little bit bent, so its analysis is not accurate. Okay, but if you do it on the book, it will be very accurate because it's flat. Okay, so just bear that in mind and then answer the question. So then from here you will be able to extrapolate. Okay, you say in 10 minutes how far would she walk? So you can continue with 10 and then extend the line accordingly to solve it, but there are other ways. Okay, so do just find out based on the pattern by 10 minutes how many meters would you have walked easily. And then from there you say, okay, what about 2.5 minutes? Where is 2.5 minutes? Somewhere around here. So how far did she walk? Okay, I'm sure you can make a guess again. Next part, data survey. Okay, again, we are not in school. We can't conduct survey. It's so unfortunate. So, Stella actually told a teacher the article was not accurate, that people play games mostly on the tablet. So instead of tablet, maybe I would use our laptop instead, okay? Because I think it's more appropriate to our school. Laptop, okay? Whether the laptops are used for gaming. So you got to give suggestion. Okay, what other things that can we do with the laptop? Okay, some people say, oh, I spend a lot of time doing school work using my laptop. Sometimes I'm on social media on my laptop, and sometimes I'm doing online shopping with my laptop, isn't it? So again, think through who should you interview for this survey. Talking about children here, so of course it must be our school students, isn't it? Maybe year 5 students, year 6 students, year 7 students. Okay, and then you say make your own prediction about how children use their laptop. Again, we're going to change everything to laptop. Okay, make a guess, and then from here, after you collect the data, you're supposed to put down the results, and then from here fill out all the information and then shade accordingly. Okay, so this part I don't think you need to do it because like what I say, we don't have the information at this point in time. So that's very unfortunate. Okay, it's very unfortunate. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so that's all for our lesson. I have included two interesting activities again for you. One is to tabulate the results from a table and put it onto a graph. So you got to draw it accurately. And then of course the other one is on the line graph. Okay. So if you have any questions, just drop me a note on Teams or direct message. Okay, bye bye.